Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a Zoom account. So we're first going to go to the internet and make sure to go to zoom.us and it will take you to Zoom, and then we are going to press on sign up. It's free. And then we are going to put our birthday, the year, and then press continue. After that, you can put your work email if you have another one. If you don't have any of these, so if you don't want to sign in with Facebook or Gmail or this other one, then you can put your own. And then if you have a Gmail, you can just press sign in with Google. And then after that, we are going to press on our email. Right here. And then we have our account right here. And then after that, if you want to host a meeting, it's right here. And if you want to join a meeting or schedule a meeting. Yeah.